Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome to our deep dive into Agentic AI, where we are not just talking about smart systems, we are exploring next-gen digital assistants that think, act and evolve on their own. Today we'll unlock how these autonomous powerhouses are reshaping industries and transforming our everyday lives. Let's get started. Sometimes the best way to grasp a concept is through everyday analogies. Imagine a child learning to ride a bicycle for the first time. At the very beginning, the child needs training, wheels, lot of guidance, and someone to hold the bike steady. Every pedal, every turn, every brake is closely monitored and adjusted by a caring adult. The child is not expected to balance on their own immediately. Instead, they learn gradually through guidance and repeated practice. Now think of Agentic AI in the same way. In its early stages, an AI system might require significant human input, clear instructions, predefined rules, and close monitoring of its decisions. Just like those training wheels, early AI models rely on external data and human feedback to understand the basics of decision making. And over time, as the AI is exposed to more data and experiences, it starts recognizing patterns, understanding context, and learning from it. Therefore, the system becomes capable of making decisions, adjusting its actions in real time, and even anticipating future needs without being explicitly told what to do every step of the way. Another analogy that you can picture is of a chef who has tried countless recipes. With each dish, they refine their technique, tasting, adjusting seasonings, and learning what works best. This continuous process of trial, error, and improvement mirrors how Agentic AI adapts and grows more effective with each task. Finally, you can also consider a GPS navigation system that recalculates your route in real time if it detects traffic or if you make a wrong turn. It is actively tracking conditions, updating plans, and guiding you towards the end goal without constant manual input. Believe it or not, you are probably interacting with Agentic AI on regular basis. Therefore, let us look at the everyday examples of Agentic AI. Think about self-driving cars that gather real-time data on traffic and road conditions, then make on-the-spot decisions to get you where you're going safely and efficiently. Or your streaming service that learns your preferences and recommends shows or movies you will love, adjusting its suggestions every time you watch something new. Even a smart thermostat uses Agentic AI to automatically tweak the temperature based on your schedule and comfort preferences. No constant oversight needed. These systems don't just follow orders, they set goals, collect feedback, and adapt as they go, giving us a glimpse of how AI is quietly transforming our daily routines. Let us know Agentic AI and the differences between AI and Agentic AI. Think of AI as a powerful engine with a lot of potential. It is smart, fast, capable of processing vast amount of data. We have seen the examples of ChatGPT in the AI domain. But by itself, it is like a car with a really powerful engine just sitting in a garage. That means it waits for your command, does exactly what you say, and then it stops. It is impressive, but it is not going anywhere. Now, enter Agentic AI. This is where the actual magic happens. If AI is the engine, Agentic AI is the driver. Well, you can say Agentic AI takes action. It does not just assess, it executes as well. So you can say AI can understand, process, and generate data, whereas Agentic AI takes all that knowledge and uses it to take action, make decisions, and execute tasks. Agentic AI is an exciting concept. This idea is getting a lot of buzz because it could change the way we use technology forever. Leaders like Sam Altman, Jeff Bezos, Satya Nadella, Andrew and G are talking about how agentic AI will not only change the tech world but will also have a huge impact on society. So have a look at what leaders have to say about the buzz around agentic AI. Now let us get into the nitty-gritty to understand how agentic AI actually works. First, it breaks down complex objectives into bite-sized goals so it can tackle each part methodically. Then it is about real-time decision making, adjusting on the fly whenever new information comes in. And then the cool part, it is independent. So once you give it a mission, it just goes for it without needing constant check-ins. Finally, it is always learning from feedback, refining its approach every time something goes right or wrong. For instance, imagine an AI agent managing your calendar. It recognizes the need to schedule a meeting, identifies the optimal time slots, sends the invitations, and automatically reschedules if conflict arises. This level of autonomy helps streamline tasks, reduce human effort, and enhance efficiency in everyday workflows. We have already discussed where you can find agentic AI at your work in your daily life in one of the previous slides, but you might also be wondering where is this already happening across industries. So self-driving cars are prime examples. They continuously analyze the surroundings, predicts the movement of vehicles and pedestrians, and make split-second decisions to navigate safely. And in customer service, they manage routine inquiries, escalate complex issues to human representatives, and streamline the support workforce. Businesses are also leveraging AI to track deadlines, assign tasks, and automate operations. And personal AI assistants, which understands your schedule, book meetings, sends reminders, and even negotiates your bill on your behalf. So all these real-world examples of agentic AI in action demonstrates its ability to make autonomous decisions and execute tasks efficiently. With great power comes great responsibility. While agentic AI offers incredible potential, it also brings challenges we can't ignore. The first is job displacement. Let's be real. AI automates tasks people used to handle. That can create new opportunities, but it also means we have to think about reskilling or upskilling the workforce. Autonomy versus control. These systems can act on their own. So who is setting the guardrails? We need to ensure AI does not overstep its boundaries, and that is, there's a clear line between independent action and human oversight. Security risks. As AI gets more advanced, it becomes a bigger target for hackers. Protecting sensitive data and preventing misuse is not just an IT concern, it is critical for trust and long-term adoption. Bias and decision making. AI can pick up biases from the data it is trained on, which can lead to unfair or unethical outcomes. So keeping an eye on fairness and transparency is key to making sure AI decisions remain equitable. Future of agentic AI. Agentic AI is not just a buzzword, it is poised to reshape entire industries and how we do business. So let's break down 4 key areas to watch in the future. First is regulatory changes. As AI becomes more autonomous, we'll see new laws and guidelines aimed at ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency. Industry revolution. From healthcare to finance, agentic AI will take on more sophisticated tasks, boosting innovation and productivity across sectors. Accessibility. Thanks to lowering costs and user-friendly platforms, AI is becoming accessible to smaller businesses and solo creators. You won't need a huge budget or specialized team to harness advanced AI features anymore. Business optimization. Beyond routine tasks, agentic AI will help organizations refine strategies, personalize user experiences, and streamline operations. In a fast-moving market, this level of optimization can be a true game changer. So with this, we have covered a lot about agentic AI and its capabilities. We got an idea of how it is different from traditional AI. We also discussed how it is designed to work independently, continually learning and improving over time, which makes it super efficient. Of course, with all this power, we discussed some important ethical concerns like ensuring fairness and protecting privacy. All in all, Agentic AI is setting the stage for smarter, more automated systems that are already transforming industries. And to wrap things up, Agentic AI is not just another tech trend, it's a revolution. So, what do you think about Agentic AI? Is it exciting or is it a little scary? Let me know in the comments. Do join NIIT's program today and take the first step towards securing your future. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.